Hello children, good afternoon. Welcome to online computer class. Children, last time we have started our lesson. That is lesson number 7. Operating a computer. Right children? Now, today we will continue with our lesson. That is operating a computer. Now, children, last time we have seen how to start the computer. Okay. Now, and then we have seen how to open the program, that is Notepad. How to open Notepad in the computer. Now, we will see here. Resize window. Resize window means what? Resize means making big or small. Resize, changing the size of the window. Window, which window? Notepad window. Any program which you will open, that size you can change. Okay. By clicking on, I will show you where to click. You can change the size of the window. See here. This is Notepad window. This is which window? Notepad window. Now children, can you see the red cross on the screen? Red cross. That is close button. That is close button. Okay. After that, before that there is one square. Can you see that square? It is maximize button. Maximize means maximize. Window will get maximize. It will get enlarged. You can make it full size window. Okay. Maximize button. Now, before that, there is one minus sign. There is one line, right? What is that? That is minimize button. That is minimize button. Okay. What is minimize? Minimize means making small. Making small. Okay. When we maximize the window, after that when you will click on this minimize button, it will get small. Okay children. Now these three buttons are called control buttons. Which button? Control buttons. These buttons are called control buttons. These are on the right side of the title bar. Right side of the title bar. Now children, I will show you this. Okay. Children, now I will show you how to resize the window and control buttons on the notepad. Okay children, now look here. This is start button. You know how to open notepad? We have done. Click on start button, all program. In all program, which folder? Accessories folder. Click on accessories folder. In accessories folder, you can see this is notepad. Okay. Click on this. This is our notepad window. Now children, can you see your three buttons on the title bar? See this. These are three control buttons. Okay. These three control button. One. See. Look here. This red cross is close button. Can you see? Close button. Now this is maximize window. This notepad window you can maximize use clicking on this button. Okay, this square. And this minus sign, this is a minimize button. What will happen when we will click on this minimize button? Just see here. When you will click on this minimize button, see. Click. the window will get minimized and it will go on the taskbar. See, this is taskbar. Here you can see. Okay, and now again click on this. Now you can see this is your notepad. And what is this maximize button? See, it will maximize your screen. Okay, it will enlarge your notepad window. Maximize window. Okay, click on this. You can see this is full window of notepad. If you will again click on this, restore, it will restore down. Just click again on this button, restore. Now see, it will get restore. Okay, and now again it will show you maximize button. When you will click on this button, it will get enlarge. The window will get enlarged. And this red cross is to close the notepad window. Click on this red cross. See, it will get close. Understood, children? These three control buttons. Children, you all understood what the three control buttons? Okay, now move further. Now see, moving window. Moving window. What is moving window? See, sometimes we open many programs in computer. Okay, that time we need to move from one program to another program. Sometimes you are drawing and at the same time you are typing also. Okay, typing in the notepad, and you want to draw also in the paint. So what you will do? You will open both the programs, paint also and notepad also. And whenever you want to work in the notepad, you will click on the notepad window. And when you want to work in the paint, you will click on the paint window. So at the same time you are working on both the programs. So that time you will need to move from one window to other window, from notepad window to paint window, from paint window to notepad window. Understood, children? That time how to do that, how to move from one window to another window, and how to place it at the other side. Okay, you can move it. Fine. Now we will see how to move the window from one window to other window. Now children, we will see moving the window, moving notepad window. Okay, now just open two notepad windows. See, first this is one and this is two. Okay, now open both the windows. Okay, now these are two notepad windows. Okay, now when you will click on this notepad, see here, your title bar will turn blue. It means you are working on this notepad. It will turn blue, this title bar. And when you are clicking outside the notepad, when your notepad is not active, it will show you, see here, when you are clicking on the desktop area, it will turn gray. This title bar will turn gray. It is not blue. You can see here, it is not blue. It means this notepad is not active. This notepad is not active. We are not working on the notepad. You have clicked outside. Now, but when you will click on the notepad, the title bar will turn blue, dark blue. You can see here. Can you see this title bar has turned dark blue, and this is gray in color. You can see. Now you click on this notepad. See here. Now this is gray, light blue, light color it is, and this is dark blue color. You can see. Okay. See here. See this is. Now this window is active. Understood, children? Children, understood how to move window and how that title bar turns gray and blue? In which program we are working, that title bar will turn blue, means active. And in which program we are not working, that window will turn gray. Title bar will turn gray. Understood, children? Now we will see how to shut down the computer, how to shut down, how to close it, right? When you finish your work, you have to shut down the computer. Okay, do not keep it open. Understood, children? You close it, shut down the computer. Now how to shut down the computer? Do you know how to shut down? We will see now. Okay, we will see how to shut down the computer. First, there are two steps only. Okay, first you have to click on the start button. You will click on the start button. Then there you will get one option, one button of shutdown. Okay, shutdown option. Click on that shutdown option, left button. Okay, left click, mouse left button. Now click on that shutdown option. Your computer will get shut down. Your computer will get shut down. See here. After that, when your screen turns black, full black, then you switch off the monitor button. Okay, press that monitor button. Then UPS button also you have to switch off, and the main power supply button, which I showed in the first part of this lesson. Okay, how we start? We start the computer. First we switch on the power supply button, right? That power supply button, at the time of shutting down the computer, last you have to switch off it. Switch off the main power supply button at the end. Okay, children? Understood? These are the steps. Okay. Now, see. First, what you have to do is click on the start button. Okay. In that start button, you will get shutdown button, shutdown option. Click on that shutdown option. Your computer will get shut down. After that, you will switch off the monitor button, then switch off the UPS, then switch off the main power supply button. These are the steps to shut down computer. But children, before shutting down your computer, you have to close all the files which are already open, in the computer. That files you first close. Click on the red cross. Close all the files and then shut down the computer. And one more most important thing you have to remember always, that do not switch off the main power button directly without shutting down the CPU. Without shutting down CPU means you have to give shutdown command to the computer. Then only switch off. After shutting down full computer, then only switch off the main power button. Then only switch off the main power supply button. If you will not follow these steps, your computer will get harm. your computer will get harm. Understood, children? It will get harm means it will not work properly. Got it, children? How to shut down the computer? Now you see the steps. I will show you. Children, how to shut down computer. Now we will see how to shut down the computer. To shut down the computer, first you close all the files which are open. Okay? Close all files which are open in the computer. Now this is Notepad we have already opened, right? Close it. Close. Okay? Once you close all the files or the document, then you click on the start button. Where you will click? On the start button. Click on the start button. Then here can you see shutdown button? See, click on this shutdown button and then your computer will get shut down. Click here. Now see, it will get shut down. Can you see this? And wait until your screen turns black. Wait until the screen turns black. It is shutting down. Okay. See, the process is going on. You can see. Now it is blue. Wait until it turns black. Screen will turn full black. Okay. After that, you switch off the main power button. Understood, children? Now see. You can see a full, it turns full black. Children, I hope you all understood today's lesson of operating a computer. We have completed our lesson operating a computer. Today we have seen how to resize the window. We have seen 3 control buttons: minimize, maximize and close. Okay, children? Then we have seen how to resize the window using these control buttons. Okay? Then we have seen how to move the window. Okay? Moving from one window to another window. Okay, and how to know which is the active window and which window is not active. Notepad window. Okay, and last, very important, that is how to shut down the computer. How to shut down computer. Today you practice this at home on your computer. First you start the computer on your own and open Notepad and type myself in that. Okay, children? And try to close this Notepad and then shut down the computer on your own. Do not take help. Okay, do not take your mother's, father's help. You shut it down properly. See, today you do this practice at home. Okay, children? Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.